This tool can take any audio you've recorded, whether it's on a camera or a cheap little microphone, and make it sound studio quality. Let's dive in. I'm using Riverside. Now you'll see here on the screen, I can record inside Riverside Studio when I'm doing meetings, podcasts, and so on. And when I've recorded everything, it will all save into my dashboard. So here's my dashboard with my previous recordings. I've got a couple I'm going to show you in just a moment. But first of all, I'll show you how you can actually upload audio into Riverside and use Magic Audio to make it sound better. So I'm going to click upload here, and I'm actually going to grab the camera that I used to record outside. Let's actually play a little. This is my camera's internal microphone. It's really not very good. Okay, that could definitely do with some cleanup and improvement. So I'm uploading it into Riverside, and later on we'll come back to that and we'll take a look at what Magic Audio can do. Let's start though, as that process is, by going to iPhone Magic Audio. Now, this is just a quick clip that I did on my iPhone Pro 14. Okay, let's play this audio back from my iPhone. This is a very quick test of the Riverside Magic Audio feature. You're going to agree it's not going to win any awards for having a top quality microphone, but then I go to this magic icon here in the top and I select on for Magic Audio. It's AI enhanced for sharp, polished sound. Just takes a moment to activate and I can play back again. This is a very quick test of the Riverside Magic Audio feature. That is insane. Let's remind ourselves of how this sounded before Magic Audio was applied. This is a very quick test of the Riverside and after Magic Audio feature. Let's see how well it works. That is incredible. So just with the click of a toggle inside Riverside, I've made my iPhone sound like a professional studio quality microphone. Let's go over to another clip that I've got in my studio. You can see this one's already processed as we were playing with the iPhone stuff. I also did something actually straight into Riverside. I went into my studio. I did a quick recording, and you'll notice here, if I play it back, let's just check that Magic Audio is disabled, as I was playing with this one earlier. So there's lots going on here. Hey, I'm deliberately trying out this Magic Audio feature. So there's a fan, I'm knocking chairs, I'm just making a lot of noise. Let's rewind that. Let's click the magic icon. Let's enable here. And within the click of a toggle, hey, I'm deliberately trying out this Magic Audio feature on Riverside. And then before, little distant from my microphone with a fan deliberately running in the background as well. And then after, just to see how Magic Audio actually works. So it's just completely erased background noise. It's got rid of the fan. It's got rid of the clunking and any kind of sound. This is absolutely insane. Magic Audio, it's a one-click application. It's going to improve the sound of your podcast, your YouTube videos, or any meetings you're recording inside Riverside. Let's go back now and take a look at this camera that I uploaded just a moment ago. And if we actually go in, you'll see that it's transcribing at the moment. I can click to play it back and listen, remind myself of that terrible audio. This is my camera's internal microphone. Yeah, there's a little bit of wind rumble as well. Let's click edit, and then we just need to go up to the magic icon again, right in the top. Here it is, Magic Audio, and we just toggle it on, and let's listen to the difference it makes. This Magic Audio plays so fast as well. It's lightning fast. This is my camera's internal microphone. Wow. It's really not very good. But if I switch on Magic Audio, how does this sound? And then again, let's remind ourselves the full clip with Magic Audio disabled. This is my camera's internal microphone. It's really not very good. But if I switch on Magic Audio, how does this sound? And again, one more time, I'm going to go back in, enable Magic Audio. This is my camera's internal microphone. It's really not very good. But if I switch on Magic Audio, how does this sound? So there you go, studio quality recordings. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars on a microphone or the right gear anymore, as AI can do it for you right inside the Riverside app. If you want to go try it out, there's a link down in the description. Also some money off a membership with Riverside, where you can use this feature all the time on the content you create. Let me know how you get on with this, and any trouble you have, I'm happy to help you out in the comments down below.